In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Notion from a quick Google search, log in confidently, use Notion AI to optimize your workspace for internship applications, and open your central hub to start organizing everything. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and look for the official result that takes you to the Notion website. Starting from a search is helpful if you don't remember the exact URL, and it also lets you compare results and spot the official site quickly. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to sign in. On the Notion site, click Log In, typically found in the top right corner. Choose the sign-in method that matches how you created your account, such as email or a trusted single sign-on option. After you're in, you'll land on your workspace. If you belong to more than one workspace, confirm you're in the right one for your projects before moving on. If anything looks unfamiliar, a quick refresh or switching workspaces can help. Next, open Notion AI. This built-in assistant can speed up your setup dramatically. In the prompt area, type the phrase, "Optimize my Notion for internship applications." This tells Notion AI you want a structured system for tracking roles, deadlines, and communications. Let the AI generate suggestions, then review what it produces. You can accept the draft as a starting point and adjust the wording, layout, or properties to match your needs. If you already have a page open, you can run the AI there. Otherwise, create a new page first so you have a clean canvas for the suggestions. Finally, click on the page labeled Internship Applications Hub. This is your centralized command center for everything related to your applications. Inside, you'll likely see a database or dashboard where you can track details like company, role, application status, deadlines, and links to postings. Consider adding fields you rely on, such as location, compensation notes, or contact method, and then create helpful views like a calendar for deadlines or a board grouped by status. Set reminders on time-sensitive items, use filters to see just the applications in progress, and keep your entries consistent so you can sort and search effectively. If you collaborate, share the page with the right people and use comments to log updates without cluttering the main properties. That's it. Use Google to find Notion, log in, ask Notion AI to optimize your setup, and work from the Internship Applications Hub. If you need more help, Notion's Support and Help Center are excellent resources.